how to increase your self-confidence and what is stopping you from being highly self-confident, and that is your self-criticism. If you have watched that video and loved it and it was an eye-opener for you, let me know in the comment. Now, while removing the self-criticism, you have to do one more thing to enhance and strengthen and boost your self-confidence. And what is that? Start giving yourself self-appreciation. Yes, because when you are removing the self-criticism, you have to feel something positive inside. Like, think about it, your subconscious mind is a box. So if you are taking away all the garbage, that is self-criticism, all the negativity, then you have to constantly keep feeding the positive things. Otherwise, if it will stay empty, then so much of negativity is around that again you will attract more negativity into it. So one of the best way to reprogram the subconscious mind for anything is when you are removing the negative beliefs, you have to constantly feed new positive belief. So when it comes to strengthening, boosting, increasing your self-confidence, you have to let go and remove your self-criticism, and at the same time you have to feed more and more self-appreciation. Yes, you have to appreciate yourself as much as possible. You have to find all the good qualities in you. You have to find what are the positive things you have in you, what are the good qualities you have in you. And one thing I have always found, the people who are highly successful in any area, may it be sports, athletics, business, acting, singing, in any area or every area of life, they are successful because they have high self-confidence. They believe in themselves more than anyone else. And how can they have self-confidence? They appreciate themselves for all their good qualities, especially for their strength. One thing you have to understand, that even all the successful people have some weaknesses. No one is perfect. Everyone has some good things, some bad things. Maybe little bit of weaknesses, maybe little bit of bad qualities, but they focus on their good things so much that they don't have time or energy to spend or focus on the weaknesses, and that's why their positivity, their confidence stay higher. And how they do it? By focusing on their self-appreciation, by practicing self-appreciation. And those of you who are struggling, especially with confidence, and as a result struggling in many areas of life, may it be like in your job interviews, may it be in businesses, sales presentation, even in relationship, even in dating, if you are struggling, it because of lack of confidence. If you are not able to go forward and talk to anyone confidently, whether in professional life, personal life or social life, it's because you have a lot of self-criticism for yourself, and as a result you don't feel confident. So how can you change it? Remove those self-criticism and start finding the good things in you, the qualities that you have. May it be physical qualities, may it be emotional qualities, may it be in terms of work. If you are a good performer, if you are a dedicated person, if you are a punctual person, you are a disciplined person, you are a kind person, you are an amazing person, you are a funny person, you are a positive person, you are an inspiring person, you are a good friend, you are a good worker, you are a good performer, you are talented, you have great communication skill, you have good programming skill, you are a doctor, you are an engineer, you are a CA, you are a good lover, you are a good son or daughter, you are a good brother or sister, you are a good parent. So you have to find whatever good qualities you have within you, and you have to appreciate yourself. That's when you feel so positive, you feel so energetic that your positive energy will go higher, your vibration will go higher, and it will put you forward in manifesting and creating success. Think about it. If you are working in a job, so the people who are consistently getting promotions or growing in their career, one thing is common among them, that all those people who are consistently growing fast in their career, they are always very confident. Why? Because they know what is their strength and they work on those strengths as much as possible, and they keep getting better. And they believe in themselves. Does it mean that they never make mistake? The answer is no. Whereas there are many other people who have similar level of skill, who are equally hardworking, who are equally dedicated, but they keep doubting themselves. They focus on all the weaknesses. They keep thinking that what if everything will go wrong? What if I will make some mistake? What if things will go wrong? Same thing works in the social circle. Same things even work in the relationship. Same thing. If you keep thinking that what if I'll say something or do something, another person will get upset and leave me and everything, then you will never be in a positive state to build a good relationship. And you will constantly be in a state of fear. So it will never work out. So one thing you have to do is first start appreciating yourself. And when you really positively, genuinely start appreciating yourself, it will never create any kind of negativity. Rather, it will make you more attractive, make you more positive, make you more inspiring, make you more amazing, so that people will see that positive vibes in you and they would like to be with you. They will like to be around you. They will feel that if you are in their team at workplace, they will feel more confident. They can rely on you. They can trust you. So it all starts with one spark of self-appreciation. So every single day you should take some time and ask yourself, what are the good qualities I have within me? And if you have been struggling with self-criticism and negativity, then the moment you start asking, you will start thinking more about your self-criticism. That's the point. You have to tell yourself that stop, let go of this self-criticism. It's time to focus even on that one or two qualities that you have and start appreciating. You can make it a habit of writing at least 5 self-appreciation every single day. And once you start doing, your positivity will go extremely higher and you feel so confident that you will get surprised and you will see the reflection in all areas of life. If this video has inspired you, if this video has given you the exact thing that you are looking for, to be highly confident in your professional life, personal life, social life, or in any other areas, then like it, let me know in the comments so that this video will reach more people. And if you are new here, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, be a part of our awesome tribe. And if you are looking for more tools, techniques and powerful process to transform your life, then join our Awesome Ajaya Academy, because Awesome Ajaya Academy had amazing powerful programs that I have created with utmost dedication, which are actually powerful and transforming lives. So thank you. This is Awesome Ajaya, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. Thank you.